In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear engine mount on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Take a 18mm socket, loosen up this bolt right here. You can see the bracket on the nut just moving. That's okay, it will stop. You can take that bolt out. You can see if you take a pry bar in here, the engine has the ability to rock. This mount just prevents the engine from rocking back and forth. It doesn't support the weight of the engine, so you don't have to support anything underneath. Using a 15mm socket, take this bolt out. Slides out. There's that J-nut on top, don't lose that. I'm just going to use a ratchet strap just to pull the engine forward. Just be careful, you don't want to put too much tension on it, just a little bit. You don't want to stretch the exhaust too much right here. That's about good enough. Tip the mount down. Pry it out. And it pops right out. Just slide this up. I'm gonna have to spread that apart a little bit. Get that lined up. Just give it a little tap with a rubber mallet. Get that bolt started. Get that J-nut on from up top. All right, I'm gonna leave that loose for now. Loosen up the ratchet strap. Engine's gonna tip back a little bit. I'm gonna take this bolt and slide that in. Take the nut, get that started. Now we'll torque this bolt to 59 foot-pounds. I'll snug this bolt up. Torque this bolt to 77 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.